Welcome back, Rave readers. In our video today, we are going to be reading Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. Story created and illustrated by James Dean. And this story was specifically written by Eric Litwin. So let's get ready. Sing along if you know the song. And let's get ready to go to school with Pete. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings this song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat. In a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? The lunchroom or the cafeteria. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friend and sings this song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm riding in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What'd you do at school today, Pete?" And he says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow." Because it's all good. The end. If you enjoyed this video, go check out my other Pete the Cat videos on my channel, Pete the Cat's Train Trip and Pete the Cat I love my white shoes. Keep on reading, guys. See you next time.